Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can deploy a Next.js application on Render. So the first thing you want to do is sign in or sign up on Render. So I've already signed in, that's why you have this dashboard here. So once you sign in, you have this dashboard. You will probably not have these applications. These are my applications, but yours will probably be a new one. So you want to go to new, click on, you can start it as a web service or a static site, but let's do it as a web service built from GitHub repository. You can also do it from a Docker hub if you want. Well, I'm doing deploying from a Git repository. So I'm loading all the repository. I'm going to connect to the creative teams there. And I'm going to come down. So here you want to change this to yarn build, and here you want to change this to yarn start. Go to free instance. You can select whichever ones you want, but for this tutorial we're going to be using the free instance. And then you can add your environment variables if you have any. Also, this is the advanced. You can also add a secret, a health check route if you're deploying a backend. Auto deploy, yes. So I'm just going to click on create web service. And we're going to wait for it to deploy. So the deployment is complete. You can see your site is live. And we can check that by clicking on this link. So when you click this, it should load. You can see Next.js. The deployment is complete. So that's how you upload a Next.js app. So kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.